Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the service so commands work system-wide. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Installed Services and tap Voice Access. Once there, grant microphone and accessibility permissions so the phone can hear and control apps. This is required for reliable input. Make sure to enable Show on Lock Screen if you want control without unlocking. Doing this now avoids permission prompts later, and it lets you test simple commands immediately. Say Open Messages to confirm it's active. Next, customize how voice access responds so it matches your habits. Inside voice access settings, adjust command sensitivity and show number labels. These numbers let you tap by saying the number. Then use voice match or the training sequence to improve recognition of your voice. This reduces false triggers and makes dictation more accurate. Enable custom labels to map spoken phrases to on-screen buttons, and turn on touch exploration if you prefer hybrid voice and touch control. Once configured, practice with email and browser commands. Now you'll use voice access in real tasks and refine settings as needed. Start with core commands, say Open Camera, scroll down, or tap 3, and notice how number labels speed navigation. If commands misfire, retrain voice recognition, adjust sensitivity, or re-grant microphone and accessibility permissions. These steps usually fix recognition issues. If problems persist, restart your phone and check for system or app updates because outdated software can break voice control. Once stable, you'll save time and control the phone hands-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.